Hey everyone, how's it going? Thanks for stopping by my channel. If you don't know me, I'm Danielle LaRocca and I do special effects, body paint, and all sorts of makeup here on my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a little Pixi PR for you guys. So if you want to see what I got in my box, then keep on watching. Throughout this video, if you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on that bell notification to all so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Don't forget to also check out my social media down below, and I will also have it in my description box for you guys. So let's hop into the video. Okay, so in the box, this is really cool. I love this packaging. This packaging is so cool. So this is Pixi On The Glow Blush Tinted Moisture Stick. Very cool. So this is what it looks like. It says, twist, swipe, and glow. Give a dash of color for a healthy glow for a look that's soft and sweet wherever you go. So it looks like there's 3 shades. There is Juicy, Fleur, and Ruby. So I'm just gonna do some swatches for you guys since I already did my makeup this morning. And we're gonna check it out. So this is the first one. This is Juicy. Oh, it's like a little deodorant stick. It has a little protective thing on it. That's cute. It's a really cool color. So there is shade number 1, Juicy. These don't have a scent to them. It almost smells kind of like a crayon. This is shade number 2. This is Fleur. That's super pretty. The next shade is Ruby. I'm definitely in the market for some new blush, so I cannot wait to try these on myself. I actually really love all of them. I think the orange one is super unique. The pink one I'll probably get the most use out of, and this one is really pretty as well. I don't think I have like a deep reddish kind of blush. Most of my blushes are pretty pink, like the one I'm wearing today. I believe this is the Kylie Cosmetics Baddie on the Block. So shades kind of like that, but I'm super excited to try these. So I know this was a super short video. I'm sure a lot of you guys have already seen this product floating around online, but I just wanted to get it out there and let you guys see it in case you haven't already. I think the packaging is super cute. I think that's adorable, the way that it opens, and it's just presented super nice. I really love that. Can't wait to try it. The orange one, I can't really tell very well, but it seems to have more of a sheen than the other colors, and it feels nice. It feels like a cream blush, you know? It doesn't feel sticky or anything. So yeah, I think these would probably perform and blend out really nicely. Yeah, this one's already blending out really cool. So That is it for this quick little video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have these, please let me know your thoughts down below. Thank you so much for checking out this video. Again, if you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up. I would love to hear your guys' comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe. It would really help me out, and I would love to have you as part of my little YouTube family. Don't forget to check out my other videos on the sides, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.